Founded in 2003, WeDu Communications has accumulated expertise as a specialized educational content company and has walked a single path towards the dream of improving human life through education. WeDu Communications has obtained a broad range of specialties: digital textbooks, e-learning content, mobile content, and edutainment. Our R&D Center conducts innovational studies for advanced future education. Having started with our global math educational content services, we will be a small but global giant pursuing the betterment of human life. WeDu Communications will accompany you. We will be your lifelong learning partner. Education content experts and teachers with advanced degrees in elementary mathematics education from Korea National University of Education have developed for 4 years for children to find happiness in learning math. As a result, WeDu created Ryan's Math Adventure designed to be easy and fun, enhancing basic learning skills and emotionally helpful. We have developed a global education curriculum integrated curricula of the United States, Korea, China, and Japan. As injected in stories, mathematics becomes easier to understand. Students are able to review lessons with workbooks. In the shape of a fantasy, math becomes fun, while fostering a good reading habit and enhancing reasoning skills by following problem-solving processes. Students will be able to develop global citizenship with multiracial and multicultural characters from the book written in multi-language. Through the adventure, good friendships, positive mind, and healthy mentality can be fostered. Confidence in problem-solving will also be cultivated. The dreams and visions of our children will expand into the world scale. Is it possible to provide my child individualized math education and fun at the same time? Here's the answer you've been looking for. OLL Kids Math Service, Children's Global Math Playground. Choose interesting multimedia content to taste among many available. With our service, the kids who scared of math today can be confident in math tomorrow. Learning analysis finds each student's poorly understood math sectors and let them to revisit the sectors, which will lead to complete the course at each individual's own pace. Report of students' learning pattern and performance will be provided to parents. Learning effect and satisfaction on the service has been verified in Korea, China, and the United States. Our service aims not just at providing good math education, but also at cultivating global talents. Wherever and whenever, fun math study in hand. OLL Kids Math will always be with you.
What I found really interesting about Ryan's Math Adventure is that it's a comic story, but the story goes through several stages. There are several books available. I'm very excited the fact that it's going to hit 6th grade curriculum.
I love them. I think it's super clever. All the math pieces come up like after you get all kinds of beautiful pictures and beautiful story. It's got everything. It's got adventure, it's got romance in here, it's got math, it's adorable.
The books are amazing. I could definitely see my students enjoying them because, I mean, the big crave is graphic novels, so I think they'd enjoy it, and then I love how the math is just slipped into it.
Honestly, I think if you put this in the hands of the students, they won't put it down. In fact, you may have to take it away from them.
I thought the book was great. I wasn't kindergarten. I thought that the pictures and everything were very good for kindergarten. I think that the usefulness of it is the book. I see how they combine the reading and the math together.
It was really cool, really engaging. I think kids would be absolutely just completely drawn to it because it's comic book style and it's fun. But it sneaks all the math in there, so at the same time, they're learning concepts about math that they get to put into practice later in the book. And I thought that was really, really cool.
I think they're amazing. I love the art within them. I love that the math, it's not just math. It's a different way to look at math.
I love what appealed to me was that my daughter is quite interested in comics. So that's what caught my attention, was that I noticed this book that has a layout like a comic book, but it covers particular math concepts, which I think is a great idea because you usually have, third grade and higher up to middle school students who kind of like comic books and also anime. So I think if it gets them to learn and be interested, it's great to do. Actually reading some of the stories, maybe doing paired readings with a couple students, and actually revisiting the stories over again.
How do we control the boat?
There aren't any pedals. What are these two pillars for?
Those are triangular wooden pieces.
Huh? There's some writing on this. What does it say? I'll read the pillar. Flip it to the right and turn it clockwise in the exact amount of a right angle. What does that mean?
This is for moving the boat, I think.
I suppose we should move this triangle piece. First, we flip the triangle to the right, and then the right angle part will move to the right. Next, we turn the piece clockwise in the amount of a right angle. The right angle part of the triangle will move to the left. The red part will move to the top. I have a different idea. If you flip this to the right angle will move to the right. And if you turn it, this red part will turn downward. Isn't that right? We can try this ourselves. First, let's flip this triangle. The right angle part moves to the right. This time, turn it clockwise, in the amount of a right angle. The red part moves to the top too. Aris flipped the triangle to the right, and then turned the triangle counterclockwise in the amount of a right angle. Aha! I understand now.
Wait, the triangle piece is gone.
That must be a device to move the boat.
I'll read the writing on the right pillar now. It says to flip upside down and clockwise, and then turn the piece 2 times the amount of a right angle. Can I come up with the answer? Sure, go ahead. Flip upside down means the bottom part will become the top, and then turn this 2 times the amount of a right angle. This is somewhat complicated. Just think of turning the triangle clockwise 2 times in the amount of a right angle. Okay. If you flip this downward, the right angle will move up. Yes, that's correct. If you turn it once, the right angle will move to the right. And one more time, the right angle will move to the left, right? Why don't we check to make sure? Yes, I want to see if I'm right. Flip the triangle downward and then turn it 2 times the amount of a right angle. It is like turning the right angle 2 times. You're right, Aris. I thought the flip and turn parts would be difficult, but it's rather easy if you think about it step by step.
Whoa, the boat is moving!